excellent serves na in this game.
Right.
Smart Maynilad may 10. So, ibig sabihin kalahati kay Alyssa galing.
That's true.
Air Force, 6 ang total.
Bumalik ulit si Wendy Simana sa laban para dito sa Philippine Air Force. Papalitan si Jen Manzano. Iniwan ngayon para dito kay Caballejo. De Leon, backset ngayon. Maru Banatikla, kapapasok pa lamang. And Micah Ortiz sinabi, Maru, hindi mo ba kilala Maru? Diba? Palitan na naman dito. Legaspi will come in, replacing Micah Ortiz. So now it will be that wicked serve again from Maria Legaspi. Titignan natin ngayon yung continuation dito. Malakas na naman yung kanya serve. Alyssa
Valdez once again. Lumipad na naman po.
Sasakit ang ulo ng... kung may tinama ang ulo yun.
Wag naman.
Sakit na nga ng ulo ng kalaban pagdating sa depensa. Pag may tinamaan pang ulo yun, ewan ko. Orthopedic.
Ano yung migraine na
hindi lang ba, check for concussion yung mga ganyan eh.
Grabe, Papa-MRI pa eh. No? Cassini once again.
Alam mo ito si Pinoc sinasabi, hey, remember me.
Yung leadership na dinala dito ni Cassini, no? Yung sa game na to.
Even during timeouts.
Yung set by example eh. Yun ang maganda doon, leader na nagsiset ng example dun sa mga youngsters.
De Ramos, Gohing.
Ruby! Sabi ni Wendy, setter din ako.
Sabi ni Caballero, Ate Ruby!
Andito ako!
Lamimigay na naman. Lumalaban pa rin itong Philippine Air Force, ha? Although they are down by 10. And now, Caballero. Soltones. De Leon. Ay. Alyssa will miss though. Look good from here. So 2011. Caballero again.
Caballero. Mean serve.
Pero andun na naman si Gohing. Alyssa tinulak. Rejected there by De Ramos. Alyssa versus De Ramos. Good stand by Lisa.
And then, nakita mo, she really stayed with Alyssa. Binantayan.
The lady from Letran with a statement. Too near for Pinoc. Hindi na nga hinawakan ni Joy kasi alam na babalik eh. Eto, mga maliliit na error dito ng Smart Maynilad. They just gave away 4 na. 29 yan eh.
So,
4 points.
Unti-unti. Ito pa naman na loto. Kanina pa habulan ng habulan.
Maru, nahirapan. Alyssa, galing sa likod si Soltones. Mintis na naman. Pero salamat ulit kay Michelle Datuin sa akin, Rachel Andakis, na namigay ng mga pasalubong galing sa ibang bansa. The spirit of Christmas.
You made our day.
Yeah, the spirit of Christmas is definitely here. Alyssa, the spirit of Ateneo lives on.
Grabe lang ang mga palong ginagawa dito ni Alyssa Valdez. At yun na nga ang nag-work talaga dito sa Smart Maynilad. Yung opensa-depensa nila kay Sini sa depensa, along with si Melissa Gohing.
Right.
At ito namang sa opensa, talaga namang si Alyssa, she took care of business.
Right. Pati na rin yung mga serves ni Gretchen Soltones.
Kaya tuloy itong sila Soltones, yung hindi sila pressured.
Right.
Diba? So, lalaroin lang nila yung normal nilang laro, and then whatever points will come from them, okay. Kahit kay Golima, nakapag-contribute rin eh.
And Alyssa, parang napuwing eh. Idol, napuwing yan sa kanyang tiso. Napuwing kasi yung buhok niya naiwan. Hala. 2 puntos na lang kailangan ng Smart Maynilad, and it will be 3 in a row since the return to the Philippines of Pinoc Cassini. Yun ang hinahabol nila.
Yun ang nadala nga ni Pinoc dito sa team na to. Ibang klase. Hindi lang naman yung panalo. Pero parang nabuhayan yung Smart Maynilad. Nalaro nila yung mga... Kasi ito rin mga to, mga magagaling na players din eh.
Right.
Diba?
Sa naghahanap ng check ball, wala daw.
Sabi niya, yan na naman. Wala na naman. But still, it's an 8-point lead.
Pampababa ng percentage lang yun.
Ito naman si Alyssa, 20 plus na nga eh. Diba? Talagang gano'n kaseryoso.
Alyssa with the runner.
Running hit naman ang pinalo.
Grabe naman, Alyssa. 23, 24.
Grabe lang talaga.
D-Mac, hinulog muna. 24-16, 8 match points para dito sa kupunan ng Smart Maynilad. Lisa De Ramos. Sino ba? May papalitan mo. Pumasok agad si Mike Ortiz, walang sub. Ayan.
Wala yung kanyang tado.
Alright. 24-16. De Ramos. Here's Ruby. Running attack. Charo. Up.
Tatawagan kahit na first ball. Yun ang
Lifting.
contest ni bakit first ball yun eh. So, dapat medyo maluwang ka din sa first ball.
Gina Andaya now sees her first action dito. Papalitan si Lisa De Ramos na kanina pa umiika-ika ito si Lisa De Ramos. Di mo lang napapansin. But again, she's a very may ankle, may history na yan sa ankle.
Ang maganda lang kay Lisa De Ramos, fighter eh.
Right.
Yung hindi bibigay ng
Ayun na masarap bigyan ng aeroplano pag gera.
Oo nga.
Gretchen, turned back by Micah.
Maganda rin ang pagkakahugot doon ni Coach kay Micah Ortiz.
Na lang, 6 na lang to Inuunti-unti na naman ng Air Force to, although it has to be perfect.
Yep.
Andaya.
Ganda ng serve.
Galing sa likod si Eliza, why not? Ganun na lang, di ba?
Alam mo, grabe lang. Once again, Eliza Valdez, another amazing job. Another amazing game coming from this girl.
And a lot of amazing performances also galing din sa Smart Maynilad sa kanilang pangatlo sunod na panalo in the Pinok Cassini era. Our shaky play. Talagang why not? Galing na lang sa likuran.
Oo nga eh.
The cherry on top of the sundae for the Net Spikers. Kinailangan ng 4 na sets ng Smart Maynilad pero nakuha nila ang kanilang unang pagkapanalo sa ating quarterfinal round, and now we send it over to Noringo with our Shakey's player of the game.
Well, with me is the rock, the wall, you name it. Nobody can get through. Of course, Pinok Cassini. Congratulations. Coach Roger said you're the big sister of this squad. So how do you motivate your teammates? Because you came late already in the tournament, but how do you motivate them so that they play better?
Yeah, so first and foremost, I have to say thank you for Smart to trust in me, and then invites me to come here and play again. Yeah, I come here late because of I have game over there in Australia, so I come from Australia, and then yes, it's just and then I just come late because I still have to play over there, and then when I come here, all the girls they always play, and they always play volleyball. So like Sharon, James, and Sue, like that, we always played together long time ago. That's why it's not hard for me to adjust with them. And then when I talk with them, I'm an owner, so it's 100% when they say something, they listen and they give me respect, and then we work out together. When someone talk, you listen, and then we work it out together. With coach, we are a team, so we have to work it out together. Yeah, so thank you. I'm appreciated for this. I'm so happy. I'm glad I come back here again. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Well, congratulations for being the best player. And she has an Aussie accent already. But for being the best player, you have a Shakey's, a whole pizza, and you said that smelled nice, and you can eat it. It might fall. Anyway, back to you, Noel.
Thank you very much. Kanina yung graphic said it was 5 serves. There's actually 5 block points para dito kay Pinok Cassini and 1 serve. A total of 18 points para sa kanya.
Of course, gusto rin natin bigyan ng si Eliza Valdez, diba? Na napakaganda rin naman ng ginawa dito sa game na to. Pero ito na ang team standings natin. Pantay na, tabla na. Itong ine-expect natin dito sa quarterfinals.
Dikitan tayo.
Correct. Dito na maglalaban-laban tong mga teams na to. At talagang wild ang mga laro. That's why kailangan pumunta kayo rito kahit umuulan.
Kailangan saksihan nyo po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng ating coverage ng Shakey's V-League Open Conference quarterfinal round. On behalf of Noringo and of course my partner Mosi Ravena, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!